Surprise eggs!
But dump truck, do we have to? It looks so big!
Don't worry, Easy. A little nudge and we'll be playing in no...
Wow, look at that!
Vroom! Vroom!
Ooh, it's so shiny!
Just as they finished, a new challenge emerged.
Whoa! Look at the size of that mountain!
It's massive! We're making great progress up the sand mountain.
I'll clear this sand right away.
And I'll make sure the path is steady. Woohoo! Beep, beep, beep! Let's G.O. Row! Hunk, hunk,
Thank you for watching! Subscribe for more truck adventures!